the NRM government initiative to spur growth from the bottom up and for transforming the population currently in subsistence to the money economy. The PDM is a pillar of number 5 of the NRM 10 points program to build an independent, integrated, and self-sustaining economy. The people who are fighting PDM, apart from the corrupt, are the money lenders. The money lenders are worried about this success. So we are not going to relax. Each year we shall spend 1 trillion, we send 1 trillion to the parishes. It will never go down. The commercial production of oil and gas will provide revenues to support the productivity enhancement in the economy, security infrastructure, and interventions to maintain peace and security of the people of Uganda, investors, and our visitors is guaranteed. Without corruption, we have the capacity to do everything.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.